Hi everyone. In today's Sensory Sunday, we are using shells as our natural medium. Today, we are exploring sounds with shells, using shells as sound makers and the different ways you can use them to make sound and have your children engage. So first off, these cowrie shells can be, they make that clinking sound. You could have them touch, feel them, and hold them in their fingers and hands while they make the clicking sound. Dropping them into a steel container, dropping shells into a steel container will make the clank sound, and they can explore that too using shells between each other, right? Two shells clamp against each other to make the clack sound, and using the shells on kinetic sand or different materials, like it could be paper, it could be on a bed of sand like we find in the beach to make the rustling sound, and blowing through a conch, a large shell, can also expose them to the whoosh sound and have fun. Do